So welcome back once again, and thank you so much for jumping back into another video of the series Technical Analysis. I welcome you all to the Crypto Boy channel. So today we are going to discuss about Cardano. Cardano, I have seen some moves in Cardano which were like compelling me to do some analysis on them. So I really want to create this video. So I want you to watch this video till the very end. So let's not waste the time and jump directly into the analysis. As you can see right in front of me, we have this screen. Well, I would appreciate this. Okay, so right now this is 1 hour time frame. I see something that I really wanted to tell you, that this, you can see, this was the 200 moving average. This was acting as a resistance for Cardano till it has been under this line, let's say under this 200 moving average. Since this point, since it was like $1.24, it came under that and it's still under that. But today, right there, you must remember the first time that I told you that the price of Cardano was having a bullish divergence and it might be the end of the bear market for Cardano, was the exact same point. Like at this point, it was 0.44. I told you that this was the point to buy. If you do not remember the video, you must watch my first video on Cardano after like this bear market cycle. Okay, so now you see that we have this move here, that it tried to go above that line again, but failed. But you can see here it broke through this line as well as this thing that was acting as a resistance with a massive volume, and then this point, this line, what is this line? There was a trend line on 4 hour time frame as well, and this trend line was also broken. Right now you can see that both of these things are broken on the 4 hour time frame as well as on the 1 hour time frame. So right now what you can see for Cardano is that Cardano did a retest right at this place, at this 200 moving average, which was a very golden opportunity to load up your Cardano coins. And it also created a very famous pattern in our conventional trading. Where is the curve? I think there you go. It has created a very famous pattern, the cup and handle, as you can see, right? So it has broken it as well. Also, as you can see, this is the structure, this is a cup and handle. It has broken it and retested it back again for a confirmation as well, right at this point. Right at this point, you can see that. So I'm gonna erase this real quick. So what are the targets? What I am expecting for the Cardano move target? Well, it is a conventional pattern. I'm gonna find the conventional way to use this target, and there you go. So the target is the exact resistance, which was a previous support, I must say. So this is the exact target for Cardano if you are looking for a trade into it. So I would just write it down. Cardano, or not Cardano, target. So that's our target. Simple trade. At least I'm going for this trade. I don't know about you, and I don't suggest you that. It's completely your personal choice. I'm doing my analysis and I have told you that I'm going for this trade. No, I don't think any other YouTuber is going to tell you that he's going for such trade like this way. So what is my invalidation point? Well, my invalidation point would be 0.459, I would say. I would want to do something like here, 0.59. That would be my validation point. I want to keep a real quick scalp trade, 1:2 targets, and that's it. That would be a simple thing. Okay, now I want to check the RSI as well, if RSI gives me some additional information to take this trade or not. So talking about the RSI, we can see that the RSI is in a bullish territory, that is a positive territory, and it's good as well to trade, to conduct a long trade in bullish territory. I would not have taken the long trade if this was in a bearish territory, I would say. And let's check the MACD for you. So there comes our MACD. Oh, MACD shows a crossover, a bearish crossover for the Cardano. That is not a good sign on MACD, but I am willing to take the risk. I would say that it depends. Like if I see something positive near my invalidation point, I could simply do that. I could make my position bigger. I would just take 1 or 2% entry right here, and if I would see that things are turning black and dark for Bitcoin as well, because I want to compare this thing to Bitcoin. So if it is not going good for Bitcoin, so I would want to improvise my strategy, I would suggest that. So this is just MACD telling that the thing is going down. You do not have to get too much influence of that. Okay, so there was another trade for BNB. I forgot to look at the BNB as well. We must take a look at that. There's a big opportunity for there as well. So you see that on BNB we have this trend line that is coinciding with the 200 moving average. So, and that was the point, remember guys, I hope you remember, that was the place I told you in my previous last video that this is the point. If this pattern fails, if BNB breaks this place, this was the point you're going to buy your BNB, and this is the exact place where this has happened. And right now I see something in BNB as well. I just don't want to force my analysis. I just want to give you the right information. There you go. You have this. This is a bull flag. Yes. I might be drawing it wrong. Let's do it like this. Okay. So this is a pattern that we can clearly see on BNB that has yet newly formed. So if you want to trade this one, this pattern, I would suggest you to, this is somewhere close to a pennant as well as it is something close to a flag as well, and it is almost targeting that area, the resistance line. If it breaks above this thing and the 200 moving average as well, and you get a retest, a confirmation, not like this one. This was a clear deviation. There was resistance, it broke out, rejected from that place, and it came back down. So if it is going to cross this 200 moving average, which is exactly at the resistance zone, so if it breaks this zone, that means the two resistances are broken, and you can count on this one as well. And talking about anything, let's check for divergences. Okay. Open the 4-hour time frame. Do you get anything? No. Well, we don't get anything. The important thing is that this region, this 311, that is the region that needs to be broken for BNB if BNB wants to continue its rally to its bigger targets like $330, 470, 500, 530, 36, those targets. So BNB has to just cross above this 311, and then this is the range high, and this is another range high. So that's it. That would be it. But talking about Cardano and BNB, I see some hope on there, but it also depends on Bitcoin as well. So wait for a Bitcoin video as well. And if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and you share it with your friends. We are just few subscribers away from 1000. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.